action. And scene. You know, at NoodleNSpoon, our inspiration sometimes just comes down to whatever we're craving for that week. You know, the weather's been getting hotter, we've been trying to work out more, and so we thought let's do something that's a little bit lighter, but doesn't skimp on the flavor. We're doing 3 things today. We're doing some quick pickles, what we call Pickles. We're doing some herb roasted chicken that has rosemary from the garden, it's got garlic, it's got lemon, and then we're using both of those along with a bunch of other ingredients and making just this mountainous, classic Cobb salad. As always, we hope you like and subscribe if you like the video. Let's do this. First up is our homemade red onion pickles. We're gonna grab 1 red onion and just thinly slice that. We use this pickling recipe for a lot of different things. You know, we've done cucumber, we've done ginger, we do red onions, and it's really just a nice thing that you can even give as kind of like a party favor or around Christmas time, you know, homemade pickles in your own mason jar. Here we have these 2 cute mason jars that we've gotten from, one was from a friend's wedding, another was from our own engagement party. We'll make our pickling juice next. So to this we add 2 tablespoons of honey. We microwave that honey just to get it nice and smooth. It'll blend in a little easier, about 20 seconds. We do half a cup of white wine vinegar. A pinch of salt to taste. Mix that up. Add a couple splashes of water just to dilute the vinegar. And then add that to your red onions, which you've placed into mason jars. We'll add 1 garlic clove to each of those jars, cap it, and then leave it in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours until you get a nice, beautiful, kind of pinkish, reddish hue. Next up is our herb roasted chicken. Now the recipe for the chicken goes really good with a lot of things. You can eat it by itself, you can do it at a barbecue. We grab 2 chicken breasts, we add 2 tablespoons of garlic, a teaspoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, olive oil, and half a lemon squeezed. And I let this sit overnight just to let all the ingredients really soak in. Then we're gonna cook our meat. So we get our bacon, lay that out in a baking sheet, as well as our chicken, and then we'll cook that at 350 for 25 minutes. Again, we use sugar-free bacon, which makes it SCD compliant. You can also use like turkey bacon, you know, if you're watching your calories. The chicken comes out golden brown and looking delicious. We dice that up and set it to the side. Now it's time to prep the rest of the goodies. We cook our eggs for 9 minutes in boiling water, and that gives it a nice hard-boiled texture. We grab 2 mini avocados, or conversely just 1 normal-sized avocado, and a handful of tomatoes. Here we're using mini heirlooms. Now whenever we go to Trader Joe's, it never fails. Jenna will always go for the teeny avocados, the mini heirlooms. There's somewhere in there she likes teeny tiny vegetables and fruits. Deep hit the avocados, slice or dice them however you like it, and then set those to the side. For our salad dressing, we'll get half a shallot, thinly dice that. Now this dressing, it's sweet, it's tangy, it's creamy. This is for us kind of the go-to dressing for all of our salads. And to that we add 1 tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. To that we add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, a full lemon squeezed. Now this is a very special lemon for us. This is the 1 lemon that our tree produced this year. We're putting it to some good use. And 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix that up until it's nice and creamy. The Only thing left to do is to plate the masterpiece. For our greens, we use a combination of butter lettuce and romaine. We like to layer each ingredient separately. It creates this beautiful effect, it creates almost like a rainbow on the plate, which is awesome to look at and easier to serve. You could also repurpose some of these ingredients in an omelet, so you can take the bacon and the chicken, the tomatoes, top it with some of the avocado, and you have a meal for days. You can tell the Pickles have this beautiful color. The bacon is nice and crunchy. The tomatoes are looking awesome. And since my wife hates blue cheese, it only gets a little corner on the plate. Voila, there you have it, the Noodle and Spoon Summer Cobb Salad. Thanks for watching.